Hi guys, welcome to Drink Majesty. My name is Naya and today we will be doing our first edition of Everything of the Fridge. So I will be making a sweet drink. It's going to be like a margarita, but I'm going to use some unconventional ingredients or things mainly out of my refrigerator to make a nice sweet margarita. First, we will start mixing stuff. So I wanted to use these Italian ices. These are out of my freezer. They are cherry flavors, so I will be using this to get the icy flavor. Pretty good. So they're a little melted. I had them out of the freezer for a bit. So it's easily coming off to go into this little blender cup. I have two, so I will be mixing these all together. That's a good first layer. So we have our cherry Italian icy added in. Next, I will add in some fruit, cherry berry kale. So it has cherries, it has strawberries, blueberries, and kale. I'm not really a big fan of kale, so I've been trying to really work around it. I'm not really sure if you can see into the bag, but it's very hard not to get the kale out, so I will be trying my best. So my goal is to get some cherries, get some blueberries. I'm gonna add a couple mangoes to this. I don't know. It's supposed to be like a traditional margarita, so I was like, you know what? I'll have my cherry margarita, cherry Italian ice, and cherry fruit. But who knows? Let's see if I'm able to taste. Oh God! Pretend that didn't happen. Taste these mangoes. I'm only gonna add like 4, so I'll let you know if I can taste them or not. So I'm gonna add my juice. That's supposed to help it mix a little bit easily. So this is just some fruit punch, once again out of my fridge. I didn't go specifically shopping to make this drink. I just took inventory of everything that I had in my refrigerator and freezer, and I made this drink. So yes, everything out of the fridge. We have the frozen fruit, so I'm hoping that consistency will be there, especially with the cherry Italian ice. To add my margarita mix. I'm not going to take time to measure it out. Yeah, that feels about right. Feels like I'm going over my 2-cup minimum that I wanted to do, but that's okay. I'm just going to freeze it and enjoy it on another day. I'm going to add rum to it. In theory, I should measure this out. I want to put like 2 ounces into this. So I'm going to assume that this cup is 1 ounce. It's like one shot. One shot is 1 ounce, right? Okay. That's feeling a little more. Ooh, more than 2 ounces, but I'll add it. Nice little summer drink for the 82-degree weather. Okay, it's looking beautiful. Let's see. What I'm going to do now is basically mix this all together, and then next I am going to taste it and see what I can do to improve this drink. That's what I usually do. Try to fix it up a little bit so it's not too strong, it's not nasty, it's not too bitter, because sometimes the frozen fruit does add a little bitter taste to it. So yes. And I'm going to hit smoothie. I will now test to see how this tastes. I have my taster spoon right here. Second critique, it's very liquidy. It's not giving me the icy consistency that I actually wanted and that I was hoping for. So let's see. Oh wow, that's really good. It tastes exactly like the Italian icy. So it's good, it's sweet. I am going to not add any simple syrup just because it is super sweet, and you know, sometimes you need to know when it's time to say, oh, this is okay, this is right, and not to use any more sugar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more margarita mix because it is a little sweet. So yes, okay. The color is starting to look nice and a little less nasty, which I'm very much happy for. So I did say it tastes exactly like Italian icy. I'm going for alcoholic drink, so maybe that just wasn't enough alcohol. I don't like a real strong drink where you can taste all of the alcohol and not the flavor. However, this is gonna need a little bit more because those 2 shots did not do the trick. So let's see. Ooh, full to the brim. Okay. You know what the hey, I'm going to add 1 more shot, and everything tastes right, everything tastes as expected. I said I wanted to thicken up the margarita a little bit to make it more icy. I know it doesn't have to be, but I like it that way. Also, it could just spend some time in the freezer and it'll get there. So I'm just going to add another Italian icy to this, and it was in the freezer a lot longer than the other one, so I'm hoping it does what I need it to do. And our Italian icy is in there. So far we are at 3 Italian ices, getting further and further away from my 2-cup minimum. That's okay. It tastes so good that I'm actually okay with that. And I see your ingredient is jam. So I'm going to add a little bit of jam. Everything, ooh, I don't like the smell. Everything out the fridge. Everything out the fridge. Using some, did I say jelly or jam? Oh, this is strawberry preserve, so yes. I saw someone on Instagram, they made a jam cocktail, so I'm like, you know what? This is gonna be my secret ingredient that's really gonna add to the flavor palettes. Alright, I'm not sure if you guys caught that, but my drink actually started coming out of the blender, so I had to run and cut that off. So I'm making such a big mess. Yes. So I will set this aside for a special taster, and for me, I'm going to put this into my very own BARCHAMPED tumbler. Just gonna keep it nice and cool, and I'm gonna enjoy using it. So boom, it's 11 ounces. So hopefully it does what I need it to do. And for the most part, yes, there is barely any more drink in here, so I've just been panically trying to get this out this glass, this mixer. So let's see. Oh, this is actually pretty good. It's a little strong. And then I have the preserves coming off in the way in. So I will put that aside until our test comes. Take a sip.
Light on alcohol. That might be a good thing. It's good. Sweet. I'm not really a fan of sweet drinks, though.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm beginning to like them more since you've been making these smoothies.
Alright, so what do you think is in the drink?
Is it rum in here?
Yes.
Okay. Definitely strawberries. It tastes like sugar. Did you pour simple syrup in there? Simple sugar? Whatever.
I opted not to since it tasted so sweet already. So think of things that are in the fridge and freezer that I could have used.
Lemon?
No.
No lemonade? Well, I should have known it wasn't any lemon.
Yeah.
Since you're allergic. I don't know. I'm getting thrown off because now I can't remember what's in the refrigerator. Strawberry. It has like an Italian icy feel to it as well.
That's great. No lemon, just cherry.
Oh, okay. And is there another ingredient? Strawberry. Is there another fruit in here besides strawberry?
I added some blueberries.
Yeah.
A little bit of kale and yeah, those are the main fruits.
Oh, okay. And some kale.
Yeah, not intentionally, but it was already in the bag, so. And then I did add one secret ingredient, which is some strawberry jam.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Without that.
Why?
I like my jam on sandwiches, not in my juice. But it's good.
Okay.
Well done. All right.
Oh, Rosie, you think that was enough?
Yeah, because at first, when I first tasted it, I was like, I don't taste it. But now that I've sipped on it a little bit, I can taste it and I also feel it. So yeah, that was enough.
Okay. Alright, that's it. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay guys, so that was our first edition of everything out the fridge. So these are our ingredients that I use. I use 3 cherry Italian ices, ice, frozen fruit which included strawberries, cherries, blueberries. I used some tropical fruit punch with Tropicana, margarita mix. I did not use any simple syrup because it is super sweet already. And lastly, I used some strawberry jam. It was okay. I think that our special guest liked it, you know. I think she appreciated our special ingredient. So yes, thank you for tuning in to Drink Majesty. I appreciate your time watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please follow at BARCHAMPED at Facebook and Instagram, Twitter. And yes, thank you for watching.